is filming now.
Well, look at all my friends. Hey, the Easter Bunny. Hey, how you doing, kids? Oh, hey. Wow, look at friends. Oh, it's good? Huh? Have y'all been good? Good. Wow, man. Hey, look. Hey, look. I don't have no more. I handled everyone out to y'all. I hit them, actually. Did I do a good job? Huh? I really did. Good. Hey, can I come to y'all Easter party?
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, how you like the Easter truck? My bunny truck, huh? It's my favorite color. Good. Hey, thank you, Terry. Hey, that's a friend, Terry. Hey, she gave me a cool ride, huh? All right, kids. On the count of three. Hey, how you doing? On the count of three, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, go. I'm going to put some of my cool Easter music on, and we're going to start on the Easter egg hunt. Y'all ready? Huh?
Everybody gets 12 eggs.
All right, everybody gets 12 eggs. Y'all ready? I'm going to put some really cool Easter music on. Are y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wow, cool! Look at them go! Man, are they fast, huh?
Down came the good fairy, and she
Wow,
said,
man, they are going really fast. Whoa, wow. Look at the shell go. Wow, man.
I'll give you 3 chances.
Wow.
And if you don't behave, I'll turn you into a goon.
the next day, little bunny coo-coo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and popping them on the head. Down came the good fairy, and she said,
Little bunny boo-hoo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field.
Wow, you having fun? Oh, good. Peter Costello used to have a
And if
big
you
old
don't
hug.
behave, I'll turn you into a goon.
the next day,
Look, there's another one.
little bunny coo-coo hopping through the forest,
Hey, you having fun?
down came the good fairy, and she said,
Wow.
Little bunny boo-hoo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and popping them on the head. I'll give you one more chance. And if you don't behave, I'll turn
There's
you
another one, another one, and another one.
the next day,
Hi.
little bunny coo-coo hopping through the forest, scooping up the field,
Another one.
popping them on the head. Down came the good fairy, and she said,
Little bunny boo-hoo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and popping them on the head. I gave you 3 chances, and you didn't behave. Now you're a goon.
Come you a hug. Oh.
Hey, Bunny.
Yeah, what you got? What you got?
What's your name again? What, Peter? Something like that?
Peter Cottontail Easter Bunny.
Peter?
Peter Cottontail Easter Bunny.
Oh, okay. Well, would you like to do the bunny hop?
Yeah, I guess we could.
Okay, cool.
With us?
Yeah, I'll do it with you.
Hey,
Line up behind Easter Bunny. Make a big train.
Do the bunny hop.
Right over here.
Go ahead. Come on.
All righty. Are y'all ready, kids? Are you ready? You really are? Good. You ready, Michelle? Good. All right. I'm ready when you are. Wait, kids. Come over here, kids. Hurry up. Come over here. Hurry. Hey, do y'all know how to do the bunny hop? You really do? Good. All right. You ready? Hey, did you make sure it's recording? It's REC? Come on, you ready? Don't put, hold on to me, kids. Watch, come over here. Come on. Ooh, kids, y'all wanna follow me? Come on, little boy. Come on. Go over here. All right. Give yourself a big round of applause, kids. Man, y'all really did good. Wow, man, that was excellent. All right. Hey, kids, if y'all want to come over here and sit down, I'll show you a couple magic tricks. Since I am Peter Cottontail the Easter Bunny, and I'm a rabbit, now what does rabbits go with? What do you associate rabbits with like me? Magician tricks, all right. When y'all finish y'all hunting y'all's eggs, if y'all want to come over here and sit down, and I'm going to show you a couple things here. If y'all want to sit down here.